Hey everybody, Matt here with PHP Specialists. Welcome to my shop, and we are taking on a fantastic project. We are making an A6 Avant into a V10 S6 Avant. So let me show you around what we got going on here. We're going to get started on this. This is our shop, 13,000 square foot, 11 lift facility. We've got dyno over here, some cool stuff. But these right here, these are the specimens of our project here. Just wanted to give you guys a rundown of what's going on. This is the S6 donor car. Absolutely fantastic car, super clean. If for someone doing a swap, you couldn't ask for a better vehicle to start with. It's in really good shape. Here's the recipient. We're going to be removing, obviously, that tired engine and putting this V10 in there. We've already swapped pulled out the interior. Jake, the owner, has already completely painted the car. Gorgeous dolphin gray. Because we are going to be swapping the complete interior and making it a true, what you would call European spec S6 Avant V10. But there are some issues with the S6 that we want to get worked out before we start pulling the engine. First off, we are getting a wonderful check engine light, and I'll show you guys what we've got going on here. And we were fighting a lean condition. Give you an overview of the engine here while our computer turns on. If you notice, some black silicone should not be on there. I don't know who's been working on this car, but they really messed it up. It looks like somebody tried to take a torch to that, and it's not metal, so that's not going to work. Okay, so we've got VADCOM here for some quick scanning. This car has 2 ECUs, so you have to jump back and forth to see the values for the different sides of the engine. If you clear faults, it resets adaptation, so then you can jump in here, and before the car adapts, you can see that's extremely lean. And this is for bank 1 and 2. That is not healthy. See, now the car starts to adapt as much as it can, but it's just way too much air. If we jump over here to banks 3 and 4 ECU, jump in here, it's also extremely lean. I've already swapped. We've tested the fuel pumps. It's not a fuel pump issue. Fuel supply is perfect. I'll show you what's going on here. We took a video previously. Condition on all 4 banks on this car. Somebody's been in this thing and really did a number on it. It looks like they tried to heat it up, ruin the intake, siliconed it. I mean, that's just ridiculous. So regardless, we need a new intake. We're smoke testing it right now to check for air leaks. There's an obvious one. That's going to cause lean codes. There's just leaks all over the place. And it's because yeah, right down there, somebody has separated this intake and just really boogered stuff up. There's a leak down here coming out of the seam. Get it to focus here. Really shoddy work. So, needless to say, we're going to have to put a new intake on here, new gaskets, and reseal. But I had swapped fuel pumps from side to side, and it did not change the lean condition. So, fuel system is good. Just gotta get these air leaks fixed. So that's the source of our lean condition. We are going to get a new intake. Get this thing fixed so it's running perfectly when the swap is done. Get this thing taken care of. Just wanted to give you guys a quick rundown. Basically, those are the only issues with this car that we can see. It only has 96,254 miles on it. Interior is virtually perfect. So from a shop standpoint, we couldn't ask for a better donor car. The transmission shifts out flawlessly. The engine's going to run good once we get a new intake on. Really looking forward to doing this transplant. Obviously there's going to be a lot of work and changes, but it'll be perfect in the end. So stay tuned. We've got more video we're going to send your way, updates along the way. Thanks for watching.